Hello and welcome to Natural Reader, a technology program designed to assist in the reading of text on a document. With Natural Reader, it allows students who are having a challenging time with their reading have someone read to them. Challenges can be either because of their sight or with dyslexia, or because they have a hard time focusing on the words on the page. With Natural Reader, you can also add things to the document, such as highlighting important words, adding text or images. Here's the text box. We can go right here and add something like the date. So for the summer months. And then we can also highlight right here if we were to send this to someone so that they can see that it's the confirmation letter highlighted. You can also change the settings, which are up here. And change the color. So you can do the green, the purple, the pink, or the orange, and the thickness of the highlighter as well. You can also change the settings in the Natural Reader so that it helps the listener pay more attention. You can change it to dark mode, where everything goes dark in the background except for what the Natural Reader is going to help read. And also the dyslexia font, the reading settings. So this whole document here is going to be read by the Natural Reader. You can also change the speed of the Natural Reader if it's too quick and you need it to be slower, and as well the actual voice. The valuable thing about Natural Reader is that a student can use this in the classroom on a Chromebook or some kind of iPad to listen to the same document their peers are reading and still participate in the lesson. So I'll go ahead and show you what the Natural Reader would be doing if I needed help with listening to this Ontario Parks reservation.
Deporting. Tuesday, August 25th, 2020 before 2 p.m. Campground. Kilcorsi site number 73. Party size 4 party members. Jeff Smith. Rules apply to your reserve own and your camping experience. Please take the mead to read and understand these rules. Your own provides vital support to the parks you love. Reserve own rules. Please give today. Park rules. Important messages. 1 vehicle is included in your campsite permit. Additional vehicle permits must be purchased and displayed for all other vehicles. No more than 6 people can occupy a campsite unless these people
So the other thing that the Natural Reader does as well, it's moving along and reading for the listener. It also highlights where you are on the page, and you can pause it if you need to get up and leave or do something else, and then when you press play, it would then
no more than 6
continue
people can
on to the
occupy a
next
camp.
one. It would then continue on to the next one. You can also convert it to an MP3 file if you needed to send this to somebody or to a class. And that's it. So it's a great tool for helping those who have a hard time reading and following and who have dyslexia and any other challenges to read documents that are important for their learning.